This is the famous PMT killer. In a bowl, add 3 eggs, half cup of oil, 1 cup of sugar. Now it's just a matter of mix everything well. Add 250 ml of milk and just get back to moving. 1 cup of powdered milk, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, gradually adding, with the mass very homogeneous, add 1 tablespoon of baking powder and mix. This is the ideal dough point, and to give it that special touch, 100 grams of chocolate chips. If you prefer, you can add more or now just stir to add them through the dough. And let's put the dough in a pan greased with butter and flour. Now just bake at 200 degrees for 39 minutes. Meanwhile, in a cultivated container, 395 grams of condensed milk, 200 grams of sour cream, 2 cups of powdered milk, remembering that my cup is 240 ml. Now let's mix it lightly. When it's reached the consistency, let's use an electric mixer and beat until it's very creamy. So it's already perfect. Let's book next. For the cake to be well filled, use the handle of a wooden spoon and drill several holes with its tip. With the help of a knife, pass it side by side to also enter our filling. Add on top, just throw all over coverage, spreading well to get into all the holes. Pass the knife on the sides to also enter the stuffing on the sides. Getting ready, I will freeze it, but it's optional. And guys, you're ready for our PMT killer cake. Do it at your house. I'm sure everyone will love it. A super quick, easy and simple recipe to make. It's delicious. I hope you enjoyed. This was another little recipe here from the pool in the kitchen. That's strong hug until the next one, and thanks for watching.